Hello students, today we are going to write exercise 8.4. Question number 1, find the HCF. HCF means highest common factor by prime factorization method. Okay, so first we will find out prime factorization, that is of number 1, 24 and 36. So first we will find out the 24's prime factors. So in ones place which digit is there, that is 4. So 4 is a even number, it is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 24 will come, so that we will divide and see. So 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 0. So we will carry down this 4, it will become, carry down this 4. So in 2 table when 4 will come, so 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 0. So 2 12s are 24. Then in 2 table when 12 will come, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 will come in 3 table, that is 3 1s are 3. Now 36. So in ones place which digit is there, that is 6. So it is also divisible by 2. Now in 2 table when 36 will come, so 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 we will get 1. So we will carry down 6, it will become 16. So in 2 table when 16 will come, 2 8s are 16. So 16 minus 16 we will get 0. So 2 18s are 36. Now in 2 table when 18 will come, that is 2 9s are 18. So 9 will come in 3 table, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now we have to write the factors. So first we will write factors for 24. So that is 2 multiply by 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 3. Then we will write factors of 36. So that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now here we have to find out the common factor. What we have to find out? Common factor. So that is we have to find out the same number. Here also 2 2, that is same number. Then here 2 2. Then here 2 there and here 3 there. Okay. Then 3 3. So 3 and 3. So what are the common factors? Common factors we have to write only once only. So 2 2 means we will write only 1 2. Then multiply by here also. So we will write 2. Then 3. So now we have to multiply this. 2 multiply by 2, that is 4. 4 3s are 12. So HCF of 24 and 36 is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So that is 12. HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Now number 2, 32 and 36. So first we have to find out the prime factors. So for 32, so in ones place 2 is there, means it is divisible by 2. So when in 2 table 32 will come, that we will divide and see. So 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 we will get 1. We will carry down this 2, it will become 12. So 2 6s are 12. So 2 16s are 32. Then in 2 table when 16 will come, 2 8s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Then in 2 table when 8 will come, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now for 36, so 6 is the even number, it is divisible by 2. So when in 2 table 36 will come, that is 2 18s are. So 2 18s are 36. Now in 2 table when 18 will come, 2 9s are 18. Now in 2 table 9 will not come. So now we will move to 3 table. So it will come, yes, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So now we will write the factors. 32. So that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now of 36 we will write. So that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now we have to find out the common factors. So common factor equal to, we have to find out the common means same number. Okay. So 2 2. Then here also 2 2 same. Here 2 3, here also 2 3, and here no. So we will leave now. So what are the common factor? That is 2 and 2. Only one time only we have to write. So HCF of 32 and 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 2 2s are 4. So HCF of 32 and 36 is 4. Now number 3, 20 and 40. So first we will find out the prime factors for 20. So 20 will come in 2 table, that is 2 tens are 20, then 2 fives are 10, then 5 will come in 5 table, 5 ones are 5. Now for 40, so 40 is divisible by 2, right? It is an even number. So when it will come in 2 table, so 2 2s are 4. So 0 we will carry it down, means we have to write in quotient also 0. So it is 2 20s are 40, then 20 when it will come, 2 10s are, then 2 5s are, then 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factors for 20. What are the factors of 20? That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now for 40, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now we have to write the common factors. So common factor we have to find out, that is 2 2, then this also same 2 2, then here 5 5. So common factor we will write one time. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now HCF of 20 and 40 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now number 4, 40 and 56. So 40 will come in 2 table, so that is 2 20s are, okay, 2 20s are 40. So just we have done here division, 2 20s are 40. Then when in 2 table 20 will come, 2 10s are 20, then 2 5s are 10, then 5 1s are 5. Now we have to see 56. So in 1's place 6 is there, means 6 is the even number, it is divisible by 2. In 2 table when 56 will come, 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 1. So we will carry down 6, it will become 16. Now in 2 table when 16 will come, that is 2 18s, 2 8s are 16. Means 2 28s are 56. Now again in 1's place 8 is there, means it is divisible by 2. This is a even number. So in 2 table when 28 will come, so we will divide and see. 2 1s are 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. We will carry down this 8. So 2 4s are 8. Means 2 14s are. So 2 14s are 28. Then 2 7s are 14. Then in 2 table it will not come. In 3 table also it will not come. 4 table also it will not come. 5 also no. 6 also no. Directly 7 1s are 7. So we will write the factors. 40 factors are, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. For 56 factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now we have to find the common factors. So common factors, so 2 2, here also same 2 2, then 2 and 2. Okay, so these are difference that we will not take. So common factor we will write one time, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So HCF of 40 and 56 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now number 5, 75 and 90. So 75 at 1's place 5 is there, means it is odd number, it is not divisible by 2. Now in 3 table it will come or not, that is 7 plus 5, 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, so we will see in 75 in 3 table when it will come. So 3 2s are 6. So 7 minus 6 1, we will carry down this 5, it will become 15. So 3 5s are 15. So 3 25s. So 25 will come in 5 table. So 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5. Now for 90. So 0 is there, means it is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 90 will come. So 2 4s are 8. So 9 minus 8 1. So 0 we will carry down, it will become 10. 2 5s are 10. So in 2 table when 90 will come, that is 45. So 2 45s are 90. Now 5 is there, so it will not come in 2 table. It is not divisible by 2. Now it is divisible by 3 or not, that is 4 plus 5 9. So it will come in 3 table. So 45 when it will come in 3 table, 3 1s are 3. So 4 minus 3 1. We will carry down this 5, it will become 15. So 3 5s are 15. So 15 minus 15 we will get 0, means 3 15s are 45. Now in 3 table 15 will come. Yes, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factors for 75 first. So 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now for 90, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So we have to write the common factors. Equal to 3 3, then 5. So we will write one time 3 multiplied by 5. So HCF of 75 90 equal to 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 5s are 15. Now number 6, 72 and 96. So first we will find out the prime factorization for 72, then 96. So in ones place 2 is there, means it is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 72 will come, we will divide and see. So 2 3s are 6, means 7 minus 2 1, 7 minus 6 1. We will carry down this 2, it will become 12. So in 2 table when 12 will come, that is 2 6 are 12. So 2 36 are 72. Again even number is there, so it is again divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 36 will come, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 1. We will carry down this 6, it will become 16. 2 8s are 16. So 2 18s are 36. Now in 2 table 18 will come. Yes, 2 9s are 18. Now we will move to 3 table. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now for 96. Okay, so here also even number is there 6 at ones place. So it is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 96 will come. So 2 4s are 8. So 9 minus 8 1. So we will carry down this 6. It will become 16. 2 8s are 16. So 2 48s are. So again even number is there at ones place. So again it is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 48 will come. So 2 2s are 4. So we will carry down this 8. So 2 4s are 8. Means 2 24s are. Now 2 12s are 24. Then 2 6s are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now we will write the factors for 72. Before that we will rub this everything. So for 72 factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. For 96, 2 multiplied by 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 3. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have to find out the common factors. So common factor equal to, we have to find out, so that is same number. So 2 2 2 and here 3. Okay, these are different, so we will not write. So we will write one time. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by then 3. So HCF of that is 72 and 96 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. So that is 24. Thank you.